what's up? It's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. So guys, today we are going to Montego Bay Jamaica's Harmony Park. That's a new park that the government built a few months ago. It completed, so I'm interested in just going there and seeing what it looks like. Not gonna swim or anything, but just to take a walk and all that stuff. We were also planning on doing our engagement photo shoot. Are we carrying the ring or what? Yes or no? Okay, so that means I gotta go get the ring. So guys, we are heading
outside.
6 o'clock curfew, by the way, so
we have to get inside by 6.
Yeah, we don't have very much time. Babe always are wearing masks beforehand. So you know, it's a COVID now from here.
You look a short one.
Yeah, this is what I'm wearing, guys. Very basic. Babe look nice.
Always.
Okay, you stretching because I dressed you today.
Yeah, fool.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to get more into dresses and stuff. So I didn't put on any lip gloss because obviously we are lip gloss too much sometimes, you know. So babe, you've been to Harmony Park before?
No.
You liked it?
I never go over there.
Yeah, so this will be our first time going in there, and afterwards we might just have some lunch
Somewhere.
yeah, and then we come back home and clean up and then prepare for me to go away tomorrow. You ready for that, babes? Go in.
I need you out.
Guys, we had plans. We had plans to reach before rain, and look on the rain. Rain a tear. So we're gonna chance it. Really, not this area? What's it here?
This area now fall to it up nobody.
Yeah, smell good though. The rain.
Yeah, I know the wetter the better.
Okay.
I know that.
I like being wet. We've been wet all day. Okay guys, we look like we might chance it because
Next 5 minutes.
okay. Alright then. We see y'all when we get there. Bye. Baby night mask as usual. Guys, look at them now. Show it.
It's a wall, look.
A dead wall right here. Fixed because it look like the place full up. Yeah, so we're there. It's not the Pier one we really expected to come. Actually, we wanted to go to Marina Farms, but it's just that rain in the fall, it's too far, traffic, everything in the one. So we settled for Pier one. Hopefully,
curfew.
I think curfew is in what, 3 hours? So Courtney's not happy about the placement where we are right now. Neither am I. Because literally we want to live here. And I think I like a picture for you. I don't like that Pier one. Over this walk, we don't have enough good pictures, so I hope to get some. Anyway guys, when the food come back, we'll check back in with y'all. Just came in. This is supposed to be slippery peach. Never see a peach so red. Babe, a blueberry something. Baby, so say better you just buy one beer, you know, because if you buy a beer, it'll work out better than that. Because this will get you drunk. I be tipsy.
Yeah, one beer still can't get me drunk.
I just ask them for some syrup instead because this it's not going to do it. But somebody choose my regular Chardonnay. You see me? Don't taste yours. You're so hot. Huh? You're hot like you need to put a little ice in it. Yes, but you too little bit, it should be unlimited. Agreed? Guys, food is here. This is what we're having. I have a blackened salmon salad. The salmon just so small.
It's start eating already.
We have a lobster steak and mashed potato. I have a vegetarian pasta. Yeah? Thank you. So we did order it. Yeah. So now we have red wine here. So we're having a whole feast, guys. But those drinks, we underestimate them. We underestimate them. I feel nice. Cute. Alright guys, once we're done, we'll get back to you.
What?
5 mix nigga.
Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus.
Baby.
Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see, blessings all in a life, man.
What?
Go on with it, but go on with it.
5 mix nigga.
Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus.
Baby.
Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see, blessings all in a life, man.
What?
Go on with it, but go on with it.
5 mix nigga.
Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus.
Baby.
Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see, all in a life, man.
What?
Go on with it, but go on with it.
5 mix nigga.
Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus.
Baby.
Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see, blessings.
So guys, we are in Harmony Park, Montego Bay, Jamaica, and it's literally raining, so we now get the full effect of it. But as you can see, let's do babe's outfit of the day here. Babe, give them your outfit of the day. You know his top is from what? Aeropostale, American Eagle, and Air Force One. Yeah, clean like Jesus police record. Me feel like a churchy.
Baby, you
Thank
look
God
like
you hold it.
my babe.
Huh?
6 years later.
Sexy.
You maybe can even get home right.
But anyway, guys, look how beautiful the park is.
The park beautiful, like with this way. So, coming like that.
Beautiful park in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Pan it around there for the tourists that might possibly might come here. Look, they have benches. They have benches.
Dump up. No longer dump
Turned into a
up.
whole park.
Yeah.
This will be the what they call it? What they call it, babe?
What?
The
Cheers,
thumbnail. So yeah, this is really nice.
And everything grew up
When
and thing.
everything done and grew up and everything. I think this is a good change for Jamaica.
Jamaica or Mobile.
Montego Bay and Jamaica and the whole
Yeah,
world.
them are go put one pier. I go straight
They need to put a pool somewhere
they
though.
want to put a pier. Why pool when you have a beach?
Because some people prefer
Baby, you don't go to the beach, you go to pool.
No, well I prefer the pool.
Well, because they can't swim.
Like a nice pool would be nice here. So them plant a lot of things there. So I think this is up for Montego Bay. And me and babe can now come someplace, exercise if we want. We can sit down and have a conversation, have a decent meal, take some good Instagram pictures. It's quiet and peaceful. They have security here. It's quite nothing like we remembered.
Babe, nobody used to come to dump up.
Where did I put my mask? What do you mean nobody used to come at dump up? Me used to come at dump up.
Come do it.
Me.
They get robbed over there.
Yeah?
You used to get robbed.
But look at the bench, y'all. I'm so proud of these benches. So actually, have an ice cream or two. They got changing rooms. They got a lot of stuff here.
The place I go on.
Place I go on. Alright, my fiance hurt him, so we got to go. Anyway, guys, Majestic loves this. This is our picture we took. We will debut it soon. at Pier 1. Bye guys! Until next time!